Okay, hey, how's it going? Oh, hey, Cameron.
Hey. Hey, can I come?
Oh, you
can I
wanna
sit down?
come sit down? You can sit down.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, how's your day?
Oh yeah, my day was great so far. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Oh no,
Yeah,
nothing.
well.
There's nothing wrong. So, what did you do today?
It's been going good. First day back back for the online schooling.
What?
Going pretty okay.
That's crazy. But you know how it is. So yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Oh, of course. Yeah.
Oh,
That's
for
good.
sure.
That's good.
I mean, I just came
Yeah.
to say hi and talk to you.
I had a good day too. With the online schooling and stuff.
All right then.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Yeah.